Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just dropped the kids in school and I decided to do some shopping, and I want to take you guys along with me so you guys will have an idea what we spend fortnightly as a family of 5 living in Melbourne. So this can help anyone coming in with their family to have an idea of what the cost of living is here in Australia. And also the kids are going to be on holiday tomorrow, and you know when kids are on holiday they tend to eat a lot, so I want to get some things in the house. Usually I shop more with Aldi. I do like 90% of my shopping in Aldi and 10% in Co. I'm going to be taking you guys to the two stores so we can check out what they have, and when I get home I will show you guys what I also got from there. So if this is the kind of content you want to watch, of course, do subscribe to the channel. It's free of charge. Turn on the notification bell so anytime I post any video, you'll be the first to be notified. And also leave in the comment section if you want to see more of this kind of videos, or you want me to be doing the sit down migration video. I really want to know your opinion. So I'm going to go get a trolley here, and we have to put coin here, over here, for you to be able to grab this trolley. Yeah, with this token, if you put it here, then you can grab this. You see that it's locked. Yeah. Is full cream instant milk. So if you're coming, is almost $10. You don't need to go buying milk from Africa to bring over. Okay, so that's powdered milk. You don't need to also bring Indomie noodles. They have different types. So this is one pack of chicken noodles and it's $1.89. But my kids like this Korean noodles because it's spicy and it's $5.39. So please don't come with noodles. We have a lot of noodles in Australia. This is peanuts. Peanuts is granite. We buy salted peanuts and it's $1.99. Cashew nut, $3.99. And these are the things I got from Aldi. All this cost me 300 Australian dollars. I wanted to show you guys this and also show you how much I bought each and every one of these items. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the receipt. So like I mentioned, all this that I bought here cost me 300 Australian dollars from Aldi. Aldi is kind of cheaper, so if you're new in Australia and you want to save cost, do your shopping in Aldi before any other stores. I am not promoting them or they're not paying me for this, but if you compare prices from the 3 main shops in Australia, which is the Woolies, Coles and Aldi, you will find out that Aldi is quite cheap. So I'm just going to quickly run down this. I might not get exactly how much I bought it, but I'll give you guys an estimate of how much it is. So this is washing powder is less than $5. I think it's $3 something. That's what I bought that. And this peanut butter, I got it less than $7 for it. And this juice, I got 3 of it. It's before it was $1.99. Right now it's $2 something, but not up to $3. I saw this on sales. It's not bad. I got it for $1.90. And this peanut butter, you would have seen me show it in my video. I also got it less than $2. We like to snack on this salami sticks. It's less than $5 that I got it as well. So I got 2 of it. And I got minced. So to make my bolognese or make my Nigerian meat pie. So I got this for, how much is it? I know it's less than $8. I got it as well. I got this body wash. It's less than $4. It's $3 something. And my kids love this particular brand. I don't do brands. I do the one that my money can afford. They have big names if you want to go for that, but me, as long as it suits the skin and it gives me what I want, I go for it. I bought Kales. Kales is $2 something. That's what I got it. What else again? I bought, let me keep it here. I bought barramundi fish. Is $19. That's what I got it. And here is 2 eggs. I bought the large eggs. I bought it for $4.95. And this is my facial tissue. I got it less than $2, so I got 2. This toilet paper is going to last us for a long time. I got it for $10. For those of you that think that we don't have powdered milk in Australia, we do. I got this. I think it's $10 that I got this. This is it, guys. All this here, like I mentioned, cost me 300 Australian dollars. In Aldi, excluding meat, you can see that there is no meat here. I did a video where I bought chickens and turkeys from factory. If you want to see that video, check my description box where you can buy them cheaper straight from the factory than the stores, because factory is cheaper than the stores. I also did not buy beef because I'm going to be sharing beef with some group of people. But when you come to Australia, you can look out for friends that you guys can share a full cow together. They can be 8, 10, 6, depending on the size of the cow. With that, you can save money for beef, okay? So that is what I do. And if you can't find anybody to share beef with you, you can always go to the butcher. So these are all what I got. I'm going to show you guys what I also got from Coles, because I mentioned that I was going to Coles as well. And all this will last us fortnight or more than fortnight, depending on how we use it. Most food might finish. Some other items might last us for a month or more. Don't go anywhere as I show you guys what I also got from Coles. Welcome back, guys. These are the things that I got from Coles. That's my receipt here, and everything here cost me 235 Australian dollars. That's what everything cost here. So I got this yogurt, vanilla yogurt. I got it for $4. Paper towel, that's paper towel here. I got it for $1.90. This Sprite was on sales. I got it for $8.75. If you can see it. If you can see it, it's 10 cans inside. And my kids love bacon a lot. I got it for $12. It's also on sales. I got this custard for $4.40. I got the table salt for $4.50. I got these diced tomatoes for $1.10. I got 3 of this. And I got almond milk, and I got it for $4.20. So I got this cup noodles for $1.80. I got this green juice. My son likes it, and my husband as well, for $5 for this. Bolognese sauce, I use it to make bolognese, and I got it for $3. $4, I got these cookies for $4. The Frosty Kellogg's, I got it for $3.25. For people that want to bring in sardine, please don't. We have a lot of sardines, we have oil, we have tomatoes and all that. So this sardine here is, I got the 3 of them for $2.50. I have some already, so I'm just buying to restock what I already have. If you guys remember, this carnation milk is still here in Australia. I got it for $3. It's evaporated. I brought this bananas. I bought it for $4. And the grapes for $3.50. I forgot my watermelon. I will go and get it. So I got this watermelon for $2.90 as well. I got all these apples for $5.90. I got the Snickers each for $1. I got habanero pepper, the yellow one. I got it for $3.80, so I bought 2 packs of it. I got some frozen fruits for smoothie. I got it for $6.50 as well. And I also got Frankfurt sausages. Normally I buy the long one, but they don't have it. So I have to buy the cocktail type. We don't have any sausage at home, and I bought it for $7.80. Guys, these are all the things that I got from both Coles and Aldi, and the total is 535 Australian dollars, and this will last us for a fortnight or more. I understand some of you might remove some of the things from this because my preference might be different from your own family preference. This is just a guide for someone coming in to have an idea of what cost of living is. And like I mentioned, anything meat, chicken is out of this because I have somewhere else that I buy it from. So I hope you guys enjoy this little shopping of mine. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Till I see you next time.